Everyone, this is a WORKPRO. This is the ratchet. Now keep in mind it is going to come oiled, so you will get oil on your hands, and that's just something that they do to keep it from rusting in storage. So you might want to have a cloth and wipe it off before you handle it. But you can adjust it for left and right. Also press to release it. So you can see this pin when you have your bolt on there. You have your 10 mm that everybody loses on here. You just press that and that will push it out and release it. But press it on the top.